አሁንስ በዛሽ ሲበዛ ማርም ይመራል በእንግሊዘኛ enough is enough.
Enough is enough. Our lives matter.
Enough is enough. No more.
Okay, enough is enough. ምሬታችሁ በጣም ከፍ ያለ ከሆነ ድግግሞሹን መጨመር ነው። enough is enough is enough.
Enough is enough is enough. We can do better.
Nice. Number 2 ከሰው ስህተት ከብረት ዝገት ስንል በእንግሊዘኛ ምን እንበል? ከሰው ስህተት ከብረት ዝገት በእንግሊዘኛ how do you say that in English? Here we go. To err is human, to forgive is divine.
To err is human, but to forgive is divine.
To err is human, to forgive is divine. Ziga please ERR is pronounced as air, just like the air we breathe in and breathe out. Ziga please ERR ቢሆንም ear ብለን አናነብም. You gotta be careful. So to err is human, to forgive divine.
To err is human, to forgive divine.
መሳሳት ያለ ነው እንደማለት ነው። ቀለል ያለ አልተርኔቲቭ ደግሞ አለ ከፈለግን አንደኛው ጋር ብቻ ማቆም እንችላለን። To err is human.
To err is human.
ከሰው ስህተት ከብረት ዝገት ለማለት simply to err is human.
To err is human.
ህይወት አልጋ ባልጋ አይደለም or ህይወት አልጋ ባልጋ አይደለችም. How do you say that in English? Life is not a bed of roses. Here we go. Life is not a bed of roses.
The Christian life is not a bed of roses. It is indeed a battle.
Man, what are you talking about? Life is not a bed of roses.
It wasn't a bed of roses for the victors either.
It's full of lots of acclivities and declivities. It's full of lots of ups and downs. Okay, then number 4. ታሞ ከመማቀቅ አስቀድሞ መጠንቀቅ በእንግሊዘኛ ታሞ ከመማቀቅ አስቀድሞ መጠንቀቅ. How do you say that in English? To be forewarned is to be forearmed.
You know, to be forewarned is to be forearmed. To be forewarned is to be forearmed.
To be forewarned is to be forearmed. ሌላ መባባል አለ. Okay, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Number 5. ካልሰራ አትበላ or ያልሰራ አይብላ ለማለት በእንግሊዘኛ how do you say that in English? It's no pain, no gain. Okay? No pain, no gain.
No pain, no gain. Work, 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 work.
No pain, no gain.
You gotta exert effort and energy. You gotta use your time. Not gain, not pain የሚል ነገር የለም. You gotta be careful right there. ሁለቱም ጋር no የሚል ነው ያለው. No pain, no gain ነው.
No pain, no gain.
የዚሁ ደግሞ ሌላ ሚኒንግ አለ. Additional meaning, there's no free lunch. Okay? ካልሰራ አትበላም. No pain, no gain. And in addition, there's no free lunch. There's no free lunch. That's really nice. Here we go. Then comes በአንድ ድንጋይ ሁለት ወፍ መግደል. How do you say that in English? Killing two birds with one stone እንላለን.
Killing two birds with one stone. Killing two birds with one stone.
እስቲ በአንድ ድንጋይ ሁለት ወፍ ገደልኩኝ ለማለት ምን እንላለን በእንግሊዘኛ? I just killed two birds with one stone. I just killed two birds with one stone. ግን እናንተ ከሁለት ነገር በላይ በአንድ ጊዜ አሳክታችሁ ከሆነ የወፎቹን ቁጥር መጨመር ነው እዚህ ጋር። ለአንድ ነገር ሄዳችሁ አራት ነገር ብታሳኩ በአንድ ጊዜ simultaneously you can still say what? I just killed 4 birds with one stone. I just killed 4 birds with one stone. Let's proceed. Number 7. እነዚህ ነገሮች የአንድ ሳንቲም ሁለት ገጽታ ናቸው ለማለት በእንግሊዘኛ how do you say that in English? They are two sides of the same coin.
Nervousness and excitement are really two sides of the same coin. Two sides of the same coin.
ለምሳሌ እምነትና ፍቅር የአንድ ሳንቲም ሁለት ገጽታ ናቸው ለማለት ምን ትላላችሁ? Faith and love are two sides of the same coin.
Endothermic and ectothermic animals as two sides of a coin. As two sides of a coin.
Okay, two sides of a coin ማለትም ትችላላችሁ or two sides of the same coin ማለትም ትችላላችሁ. Number 8. አባይም በጭልፋ. አባይም በጭልፋ የሚለውን how do you say that in English? It's the tip of the iceberg ነው የምትሉት.
And even that's just the tip of the iceberg for linguistic diversity.
It's just the tip of the iceberg.
So these 5 strategies are just the tip of the iceberg.
ገና ምኑ ተነክቶ እንደማለት ነው. So number 9. Here we go. ጎጆ መውጣት በእንግሊዘኛ tie the knot ነው የሚባለው. መች ነው ብላችሁ ጠይቁ አንድን ሰው ምን ትሉታላችሁ? When are you going to tie the knot? When are you going to tie the knot?
When you guys going to tie the knot? When you going to make it official? When you guys going to tie the knot?
I like to tell them don't just tie the knot and make sure you have that third strand.
Number 10. የፈሰሰ ወተት አይታፈስም በእንግሊዘኛ how do you say that in English? የፈሰሰ ወተት አይታፈስም. Here we go. No use crying over spilled milk. No use crying over spilled milk.
There's no use crying over spilled milk.
Hey, no use crying over spilled milk, is there?
በቃ የሆነው ነገር ሆኖ ልትቀይረው አትችልም. the damage is already done. You gotta move forward. ወደፊት መቀጠል ብቻ ነው የሚያስፈልገው. So no use crying over spilled milk.
Don't cry over spilt milk, right? What's done is done. You can't change it.
Okay. Wow, this is my favorite and I hope it's gonna be yours as well. ሌሎች ለእናንተ እንዲያደርጉላችሁ የምትፈልጉትን እናንተም እንዲሁ ያደርጉላችሁ. How do you say that in English? The golden rule. Come on, do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Do unto others as you would have them do unto you.
You know, do unto others as you would have them do unto you.
Do unto others as you would have them do to you. It's a great teaching, full stop.
Here we go. Do unto others as you would have them do unto you. And ምን ይባላል አንዳንዴ ወርቃማው ህግ, the golden rule ይባላል. Who said that? ማን ነው ግን ያለው ይሄንን ንግግሩ የማን ነው? It's said by the Lord Jesus Christ, the Son of the living God. If you want to see the details of this, you may visit the book of Luke and the book of Matthew. Here are the verses. Only if you're interested. ቆይ ይሄን እንዴት ነው የሚይዘው? Come on. Write it down first. Memorize it. Please practice it over and over again until you get comfortable. So once you're comfortable to use it, you may use it in your daily conversation as it suits you. Got it? That's really beautiful. ሌሎች እናንተ እንዲያደርጉ የምትፈልጉትን እናንተም እንዲሁ ያደርጉላችሁ ለማለት do unto others as you would have them do unto you. The more you repeat, the easier it gets. You gotta repeat. Okay, number 12. ድር ቢያብር አንበሳ ያስር። በእንግሊዝኛ እንዴት ማለት እንችላለን ይሄንን? ድር ቢያብር አንበሳ ያስር. How do you say that in English, please? Many hands make light work ነው የምንለው. Many hands make light work.
Many hands make light work.
As the saying goes, many hands make light work.
Okay, collaborationን እና መረዳዳትን ለማሳየት ስንፈልግ የምንጠቀመው እዚህ ጋር please you gotta be careful. ላይት እና ወርክን ቦታ እንዳታቀያይሩ please. Many hands make light work ነው እንጂ የምንለው many hands make work light እንዳትሉ. Many hands make light work.
I think too many hands make light work. Many hands make light work. So it's really awesome.
ከዚህ የገረመኝ by the way እኛ ጋር ያለው አባባል በእንግሊዘኛ ሆነ እንጂ በእንግሊዘኛ አፋቸውን የፈቱ native speakers also ይጠቀማቸዋል ይሄንን። ለዛ ነው ይሄንን ማምጣት ያስፈልገው. Come on, this is English with Gezish. If you've been enjoying so far, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. ከተመቻችሁ ብቻ please ጊዜያችሁን ለመቆጠብ ብላችሁ ጻፉ comment section ላይ. Thank you so much. ሌላ ነገር መጻፍ አሬ ሲበዛ ቀላል ነው፣ በጣም ቀላል ነው ለማለት በእንግሊዘኛ how do you say that in English? It's very easy. ያስኬዳል በጣም እንዲያምር It's a piece of cake ትላላችሁ. It's a piece of cake.
You thought it was going to be a piece of cake.
Well, that was a piece of cake.
ፈተናም ሊሆን ይችላል የሆነ ነገር ቀላል ነው ለማለት It's a piece of cake.
It's going to be a piece of cake.
It was a piece of cake.
It's very easy, very simple. ከዚህ ጋር የሚመሳሰል ነው። እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ እንደምታስበው ከባድ አይደለም. Please አታካብድ። ተራራ አታሳክል ስትሉ ምን ትላላችሁ በእንግሊዘኛ? It's not rocket science. It's not rocket science.
It's not rocket science.
You know it's not rocket science. You have no more excuses. So start now.
It's not rocket science. Beautiful. The last. ይሄ ነገር ውስጡን ለቄሱ ነው please. ማይታወቅ ፓርት አለው። በእንግሊዘኛ እንዴት ነው የምትሉት ውስጡን ለቄሱ? The devil is in the details ትላላችሁ. The devil is in the details.
And the devil is in the details.
The devil's in the details.
This contract seems fine, but the devil is in the details.
Conservative and liberal, we agree, but the devil is in the details again.
በቀጥታ ከፈታችሁ the devil, the arch enemy of God. You know what? May the Lord rebuke you. In the name of the Lord Jesus Christ, the Son of the living God. Please ብዙ ሰው እንዲማርበት የሚደረገውን ነገር ሁሉ አድርጉ. Thank you so much for joining me and I'll see you next time. Follow for more.